Previously on Pre-eminent Automotives. Well, you can see here that the car is running very well, and there is a sound which it's like a tract, but don't worry about that sound. It is because the exhaust is not connected and it is also leaking, something which we are still going to fix. And on this clip, we are on our way to the exhaust shop. And now you can hear the sound is it's in good order as the exhaust is fixed. And now we are loading
看，这个小船长。
And here we are on our way to the owner's home, and as you can see, here we are. We have arrived and we are offloading the car so that we can give it to the owner. And thank you so much for watching.